Alrighty, we're live.
Hi guys, it's Danielle. We are back doing some TruSculpt today. This is actually our second patient for the day and it's become a very popular treatment. So the first step was to put a grounding pad on her back. This is going to absorb any excess energy and really focus the RF in our target area, which is going to be the abdomen. So with this treatment, the next thing we're going to do is apply these stickers to the skin. And these are kind of multi-purpose. For one, they're going to make sure that the RF pads are in good contact with the skin and they stay where we want them, but they're also important for skin protection. So we are going to put these on. Now, I'm starting out, you can kind of see some of my markings. I'm starting out on this bottom area. When it comes to each patient's individual shape and concerns, there's no two that are the same. So I did do a few markings in a number of different positions to kind of figure out where I wanted to place my applicators and what approach I wanted to take. Ultimately, we are targeting the entire abdomen, so I'm going to do 3 rows and then sort of fine tune, but definitely we want to focus around her umbilicus. So now that those are on the abdomen, I can take my applicators and start lining them across. So I asked the patient if she's someone who's good with hot heat, jacuzzis, saunas, because patients who are pretty comfortable with that really tend to enjoy this treatment. It does get warm, unlike cool sculpting. Instead of using the cold, this uses heat. And it's great because it kind of feels like a hot stone massage. So patients are pretty satisfied with the quick treatment, the comfortable treatment, and then of course the results. So as you can see, we're going in numerical order here. That's how these applicators work best. And so once we've put these on the area, we wrap her up with a little plastic cocoon and we set our timer to start. Here's this. And again, it's a treatment that's fully customizable. So no matter how large or small the area is, you're able to really focus on it. Is anything pinching you? Okay. So we have that all set. Now we're going to get the device ready to go. So the starting temperature for this is about 43 degrees and we want to increase it to 44, 44 and a half. And we do that slowly. These turn on and get warm surprisingly quick. Of the 6 applicators that are on right now, only 2 will be on at a time. So the first 2 will start, then we'll move to applicator 3 and 4. You're gonna feel it come on quick. You should only feel these 2 on right now. So 1 and 2 are going to increase the temperature of the skin and the adipose tissue underneath, then switch to 3 and 4, and then 5 and 6. So I'm going to stay with the patient here. Every 30 seconds to 60 seconds, I'm going to increase that temperature until we've hit our goal. And she's got about 13 minutes of smooth sailing, just relaxing, and her treatment will be done. We'll move on to the next area. So take a look at these, see how well they are applied. She's incredibly comfortable, and we're just going to slowly build up some heat in the skin. So that's TruSculpt. We'll catch you in a little bit for the removal process and to see what the skin looks like after. Thanks for watching, everyone.